Hi, and so what makes the sky to be blue? Just what is it?
Oh my gosh, I like pink.
I like brown, bro.
Why not red? Okay, first of all, we need to understand where the light comes from. The sun.
Alright, the sun is a star at the center of our solar system. It is about 4.6 billion years old. So it emits all kinds of radiations like
radio waves, microwaves, infrared light, visible light, ultraviolet radiation, X-rays, and gamma rays.
What is radiation?
Okay, alright. Radiation is the release of energy in the form of waves traveling at light speed. These waves can have different wavelengths and different frequencies, which is number of wavelengths passing through a point in 1 second. Okay, so now we're going to focus more on the visible spectrum. The visible spectrum is the portion of the electromagnetic spectrum which we can see with our eyes. So we have different kinds of light, from red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. These different lights or colors differ in terms of frequencies and wavelengths.
Say what? Where is pink?
Where is brown? I told you I like brown. I told you I want the sky to be brown. Where is brown?
Okay. The spectrum is continuous. There are no boundaries between one color to the next. So we can clearly see that if we mix two colors, we can get other colors. That's where pink comes from and other colors. Understand?
Mr. TheSaiyanNerd, will you get to the point?
Why is the sky blue?
Okay.
Red has the longest wavelength and so it has the lowest frequency. Moving from red to violet, you are actually decreasing the length of the wavelength and increasing the frequency. So the Earth's atmosphere scatters short wavelength light more efficiently than that of shorter wavelengths. So the sky will never be red. Blue light is more strongly scattered than the longer wavelength light. Hence the result that when looking at the sky away from the sun, your eyes perceives that the sky is blue. That all? Really?
Yes, Mr. No Name, and that happens because of the Rayleigh scattering.
Say what?
Rayleigh scattering. Rayleigh scattering is the scattering of light or other kinds of radiation by the particles that are much smaller than the wavelength of the radiation. Alright, so before the radiation from the sun reaches our eyes, it must go through the Earth's atmosphere. So particles found in the Earth's atmosphere are the reason behind this. We have the troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and the dying ozone layer. So all of that is the reason why the sky is blue. I will never be brown, you damn bear, unless there's dust. Before I go, I need to do some little quick motivation. I'm sure you've realized that my CN counter is broken, so should I give up?
No!
All of my plans and script. Yeah. Where do we get interesting? Something interesting. So this is how I keep the board standing out. I use the screwdriver and I put it between the whatever's held by a copper wire. The same in here, I use that. So this is what I use for lighting. It was actually a pot and I used a selfie stick to hold the phone. And this selfie stick I won it from science fair competitions. And look at this. This is wood. I made it about 3 months ago, and look at this tripod for the lighting. I also use this homemade microphone for audio. I just plug it in to the phone and it works just fine. So that's it. What's the moral of this? So you don't have to wait to have something good to start with. You'll have to use what you have now to get that which you don't have. Yes, that's how I roll. Use what you have now. I have this, and I'm coming.